Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome again in chapter number 1 of Standard 9, which is about number system. What is the name of the chapter? Number system. From the lower standard, you people are studying about different kind of number system is there. Chapter name. Which are different types of numbers and why the symbol, by virtue of that we denote the numbers, and what is the application and the usage of particular type of number. So here we will just keep an eye on the previous class numeration system, how we people categorize the number, how the numbers are to be represented on the number line, and how to find the greater or smaller number which is given out of the two numbers, and how many numbers are lying between two given numbers. So this is our main topic here, how to categorize the number is rational or irrational. So one by one let us discuss the things. First of all, we have statement for natural numbers. What is their natural numbers? These are denoted by the symbol n. My dear students, from class 5, you are discussing about different type of numbers, natural numbers. First of all is here. So natural number is nothing but everyday routine counting system that we are going to perform in any activity. For example, I am saying bring your basket of apples, and I am going to start the apples from the basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, etc. Numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, infinity. Endless numbers we are counting in our day-to-day life routine. So these numbers are named as natural numbers. Second one is whole numbers. So my dear students, whole numbers are denoted by the symbol W here. So the numbers, natural number including, statement is given as natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. जो संख्याएं, जो नेचुरल नंबर्स विच आर कलेक्टिंग 0 डेंसेस, ऐसे नंबर जिनके साथ 0, नेचुरल नंबर के साथ जब 0 आ जाता है, दैट फैमिली इज टेकन एज होल नंबर सिस्टम. सो फ्रॉम हियर यू आर काउंटिंग एज W, sorry, this is the natural value was there. Clear everybody? Then after we have the whole number. This is nothing but natural number collecting all kinds of zeros, all zeros in it. This family is taken as whole number. Third one is integers. Integers. So integers are nothing but, these are denoted by the symbol Z. And how I can define all these? All the whole numbers including 0, including negative number called integers. So students, if one of the definition is clear to you all, then the second one will be very clear to all you people. All the whole number including negative number, whole number के साथ अगर मेरे पास नेगेटिव नंबर आ जाते हैं, मतलब 0, 1, 2, 3 सो ऑन, इन नंबर के साथ अगर नेगेटिव नंबर मेरे पास मिल जाते हैं तो इस फैमिली को मैं क्या नाम दे देता हूँ, इंटीजर नंबर्स का नाम दे देता हूँ. क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? देन द फोर्थ वन इज rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by the symbol Q. Rational numbers are of the type of P over Q. Here P and Q are nothing but the integers and Q is not equal to 0. Clear everybody? Rational numbers are of the type P by Q such that P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो 0 के बराबर नहीं होगा. मीन्स द फ्रैक्शनल टाइप ऑफ नंबर्स, 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 7, minus 2 by 3, etc. This is the family of the rational number. But if we are writing like this way, 3 by 0, so this is not a rational number. This becomes as not defined. Whenever there is a 0 in the denominator of any number, then this number is coming as a not defined. Clear everybody? So these were the main basic definitions in the chapter number 1. So we have to keep a proper recap of all these points which were already in the class number 6, 7 and 8. So according to that one, the new chapter has been framed in your curriculum. That is the first chapter having name as number system. This is the very important factor to be remembered by all students to get the clear idea about any exercise regarding the number system. The students, there is a most important fact that between the two numbers, clear everybody? Between the two numbers, how many new numbers I can find out? दो संख्याओं के बीच में और नए नंबर मैं कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकता हूँ? एंड यू आर नोइंग दैट every number can be easily represented on the number line also. Clear everybody? So this is not new thing for you people. So in exercise 1.1, question 1 here, is 0 a rational number or not? Explain it. Is 0 a rational number or not? Explain it. So in case of solution, what thing I can keep in mind? 0 is whole number value, and if I am writing as 0 over 1, then it is coming of the type of P by Q. Here Q not equal to 0, you can see Q value is equal to 1 here. मेरे पास यहाँ पर Q का वैल्यू क्या है? 1 है. So the whole question is coming by P by Q times. So 0 is a rational number, and this given observation is totally clear, and there is no any kind of doubt here, because I can write as 0 over 1, which is justifying the statement P by Q. here q value is not equal to 0 because here q is 1. So this is justifying the statement, and I have written in the bracket q equal to 1 in the denominator. So p by q type, and it is a rational number, that is well known rational number. Second question is here. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Question number 2. Find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. Between 3 and 4, how many new rational number I can find out? So whenever students, there is a question to find out the number of rational numbers between given two numbers, then we have very simple and very lucid method that you can say whenever I am taking two numbers here on the number line C. Here is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I have to take 6 new rational numbers between 3 and 4. I have marked 3 and 4. What to do? Between 3, 4, I have to do nothing. Firstly, you can add both the numbers 3 plus 4 and divide by 2. It is coming 7 by 2. तो मेरे पास 3 और 4 के बीच में मैं इस स्पैन में थोड़ा ब्रेक कर दे रहा हूँ. The gap I am taking here, I am expanding it. 3 and 4. Between 3 and 4, first number is coming 7 by 2. Between, in the middle of this one, it is coming 7 by 2. Now further, there will be new number between 3 and 7 by 2. Obviously there will be. Between 3, 7 by 2, again you have to add both the numbers. 3 plus 7 by 2, then divided by 2, again it will come 6 plus 7 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is coming 13 by 4. The second number I got it between 3 and 7 by 2, is giving me the value as 13 by 4, again between 4 and 7 by 2, I will write 4 plus 7 by 2 over 1 and again divided by 2. All the time addition of the two numbers, then divided by 2. It is coming 8 plus 7 whole divided by 2 and 1 by 2 is coming as 15 by 4. The number which I got again between this 15 by 4. It should be clear to all the people. Next is between, I have to take between 15 by 4, 4, so it will give me 15 by 4 plus 4 by 1 divided by 2. It will give me 15 plus 16 by 4 into 1 by 4, sorry 1 by 2 here. So 31 by 8. So a very new number, that is coming 31 by 8. Now between 3 and 30 by 4. So add all the numbers. I am writing exactly 1 by 2 because it will come 1 by 2. So 12 plus 13 by 4 and 1 by 2 here, 25 by 8. So here one more number is coming between 3 and 30 by 4, that is naming as 25 by 8. So how many numbers I have calculated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more I can do between 3 and 25 by 8 again. 3 plus 25 by 8 into 1 by 2, it is coming 24 plus 25 by 8 into 1 by 2, that will come as 49 by 16. So these are the 6 new numbers which were lying between 3 and 4. You can do by different way also. You can calculate between 7 by 2 and 15 by 4 also, 13 by 4 and 7 by 2 also. Similarly, add both the numbers and divide by 2. Further for the division, you will get the same numbers, okay, as I have calculated. Clear, everybody? Now question number 3. Find 3, or you can say 5, a rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So student, whenever you see the portion, the denominator are same. I will write here denominator are same. So LCM is equal to only the same number, that is 5. Clear everybody? So whenever I am taking 3 by 5, on the other hand, okay, on the board I will write here, second number is 4 by 5. Both having the same denominator, so LCM will be same. So I can multiply it by 10 directly, and this number again by 10 also. So what will become? 30 over 50 and 40 over 50. Now the two numbers I am getting here, you can see between the range of these two numbers, 30 over 40. So the number will be 30 by 50, 31 by 50, 32 by 50, 33 by 50, 34 by 50, 35 by 50, so on last you will get 40 by 50. So that much range of the numbers in between you people can calculate in easy way. Clear everybody? आप लोगों ने ये क्लास 8 में भी किया हुआ है. This is not so troubling task. Only the need is to focus on the part again and again. Clear? Now let us go to question number 4. State true or false. Number 1 is, what's the explanation? Every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number is a whole number. इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या दूंगा? पहले क्या है? नेचुरल नंबर, और दूसरी तरफ क्या है? होल नंबर. So natural number can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinity, है ना? N natural number, and whole number can be written as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on infinity. So what do you people observe? ये पूरी की पूरी फैमिली 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, फिर यहाँ पे भी क्या नेचुरल नंबर की फैमिली होल नंबर में आई है? Yes, natural number are included in whole number. So natural number are whole numbers. This is my point of observation that I have concluded here, that every natural number is coming in the family of the whole numbers. So we can say natural numbers are the family members of the whole numbers. Second one, second statement. Every integer is a whole number. Second, every integer is a whole number. Let me write solution. What is the integer? 0, -1, -2, 1, 2, 3. ये क्या है मास्टर? इंटीजर की वैल्यू. I can take the symbol for integer z. On the other hand, whole number. Whole number we call 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. अब आप देखिए कि जो इंटीजर के नंबर है देखो 0 से लेकर ये तो इसमें आ गए, 0 से लेकर 1 2 3 आ गए दोनों में, परंतु नेगेटिव नंबर होगा नंबर में नहीं है. तो ये क्या होगा? स्टेटमेंट क्या होगा? फॉल्स एज नेगेटिव नंबर are not part of whole number. जो नेगेटिव नंबर है वो होल नंबर का हिस्सा नहीं है, इसलिए स्टेटमेंट क्या जाती है बेटा? फॉल्स चली जाती है. Every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. So let me see. A rational number 1/2, 2/3, 4/2, -1/1. ये सारे के सारे क्या है? Rational number है. whole number क्या है? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? So for this statement is sake, what can I say? All the rational numbers are whole numbers. So what do you think about it? False. This statement is false. What we can say? False statement, because if rational numbers are of the type of p/q type, but the whole numbers are not of the type of p/q. So what can we say for our excuse? 1/2 is रैशनल नंबर. क्लियर? 1/2 जो है वो इसमें एक रैशनल नंबर है, बट नॉट होल नंबर. ओनली द कंसेप्ट वी कैन थिंक दैट इन रैशनल नंबर whenever the denominator q is equal to 1, then the condition is satisfied. But what if rather than the denominator as 1, अगर मैं देखो ये कर देता हूँ 2/1, मानो 2 जो है वो नंबर है. अगर मैं सिर्फ 2/3, तो ये और ये आपस में जो मिसमैच हो गए, इसका आपस में कोई लिंक नहीं है, तो रैशनल नंबर जो है वो होल नंबर नहीं होंगे. So this was our today's discussion of exercise 1.1, and next day we will continue our exercise 2.2. Clear? Till then, goodbye बेटा. और अच्छे से अपना वर्क करते रहिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.